Hey folks, I just wanted to show you what I found this morning in the dumpster. It is a rack server. I believe it's an HP ProLiant rack server from at least 10, 15 years ago, maybe longer than that. It's from what I understand, it's probably generation 4, and we'll open it up. But I just want to show you the front end here. These are where the removable drives come out from here. You're gonna have storage that slides in and out, and it plugs in at the end there. Apparently these are SCSI interfaces. I don't know much about these things, but if anyone has more information, please leave it in the comments. There's a leaf in this one, and this is missing the bays. There is a rewritable DVD drive up there. We'll see if that's any use at all. Let's open up the lid, and here we go. Now, unfortunately, I didn't know this at the time I picked it up. It did weigh a ton, but as you can see, the thing has been gutted. Most of the fans are gone. All the RAM is gone. The Xeon chips here, dual Xeon chips, are gone, and even the power supplies are gone. Everything comes apart. So you can see this will slide out, but there's no power supply. These fans as well, if you lift up these things on the ends, the whole assembly that holds in the fans gets removed, and then even each individual fan can be removed as well. So this is really incredible. I mean, you can basically hot swap almost anything in these servers while they're still running, see? And the fans are still working, I presume. I don't know if there's any value to holding on to these things, but if anybody needs extra fans, we have 4 here. There's another 2. They just come right out, and I guess they're all interchangeable. There's another fan. Okay, what else do we have? We can remove this thing here. Apparently this PCI cage, riser cage, comes off as well. And that's just gives you some extra board capability here. We'll put that here. And that's part of the motherboard, as you can see there. Okay, now this is curious. I wondered what this chip was, because it says Canada on it, and it looks like just big ceramic package there. I have no idea why it would say, unless they made these here in Canada. There's the Intel. Now, as far as date codes here, if we look carefully here, you can see their ATI graphics card. It's a Rage 1421. Oh, I can't tell the date code from that. I'm not sure which one it is. Let's see if we have anything here. 0648. 0546. Is that an 06? 0648? What does it say here? Yeah, I can't tell what year this is. I'm guessing it's pretty old. 0641. 2006, I'm assuming. I see, let's see, Intel. 2002. Okay, so this thing is pretty ancient. If the date codes here are 2006 on the chips, and yeah, it's probably very old. Now this whole thing comes out too. I just haven't bothered to disassemble it yet. But and I'm assuming also this. Where was that drive? Oh, here. It's also attached there. I'm gonna have to unscrew it, but I'm not even sure if the CD drive that's in there I can use on a standard connector. Let's see. No, it's all SCSI. Foxconn. Yeah, this I don't know what kind of connector this is. I'm assuming it's SCSI, but that means also the CD drive is the same. So anyway, there you have it. It's just a big heavy anchor at this point. I thought it would be full of stuff that would be interesting, but unfortunately, before I got to it, it had already been very well stripped of all the useful parts. I'm not sure how useful most of this stuff would have been anyway, but if there were other servers running of the same vintage and they need backup parts, whoever had this before probably would have kept it in order to run those. But just interesting how, you know, how a rack server, because I haven't seen one before, you know, how well integrated they are, and all these different components that you can kind of open and close on the fly. It's quite interesting. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching the video, and catch you next time. Hopefully I'll find something more interesting next time. Bye for now.